These are all the packages that needs to be opened up. My hair is not hairing right now. Crochet top which looks so cute. I've got a new phone case for my iPhone. I don't apply foundations at all. There are some stars going all over it. I just love this shit. Some of my products are still piling up that I need to open. So all these kurta sets are like under rupees 750 only because I don't want to do anything very last minute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisha. So guys, we have a lot of work that needs to be done today. So it's gonna be like a productive day in the life of a content creator because I have to work on a couple of reels. Then I have got few products for you all because Rakhi is coming up and I wanted to do a mini haul for you all. So we're gonna do that haul, and then I have Amazon Live at night, and for that I have to like unbox few packages, and then I have to do the setup and everything, and along with that I have to go to the gym also. So like there would be a lot of things that needs to be done today itself. And till now I have just done my morning routine. I just had my breakfast and right now I'm just sitting here. So first thing that I need to do is to get ready for my shoot. So I have to do my makeup, do the setup of all the lights and everything, and after the shoot I'm gonna show you the products that I have got you for Rakhi. Also guys, I have washed my hair today and I'm feeling very light because the weather lately has been really very bad. Like I have to wash my hair after every 2 days because it's all get greased up, it starts to smell, and because of gym also there's a lot of sweating. So yeah, I just washed my hair today and I just wanted to tell you like my hair is not hairing right now because the day when I wash my hair they just feel very messed up. Also guys, one more thing, I've got a new phone case for my iPhone, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out a small Polaroid picture and I'm gonna just place it at the back of it because recently I was just scrolling down my Pinterest and I saw this thing and it was looking so aesthetic. So I just edited few pictures with the Polaroid kind of a frame, and I'm gonna print that out and then I'm gonna put it behind this. So in case if we get some time, we're gonna do that printing kind of thing as well. But right now I need to just get ready for the shoot because it's already like 12:30ish and I need to get started with my shoot right now. So guys, let's get started with our makeup first, and this is the basic makeup that I do like every time when I have to get ready for my shoot. And also guys, I'll be talking about some of the products that I've been like started using recently and I have like actually liked them, and all of them are like very under affordable kind of a range. And secondly guys, my base is done. I have applied my moisturizer, sunscreen and primer, and we're gonna just start with these two concealers. So first one is from the brand called Lakme. This is a bit darker shade and this is a lighter shade. So we're going to start with this. And I have a couple of like these concealers which are in darker shade because I avoid using any kind of color corrector. I use these darker shade concealers only. Next, I'm going to just put this light shade concealer. And you guys would be shocked to know that I don't apply foundations at all. So I do all my base makeup using these two concealers only. Like I do not like applying foundation and it doesn't even suits my skin, so I just use this concealer only. Blending it out again. Next, I'll be doing a very nude kind of eye makeup, so I'm just gonna take a nude shade and just blend it over my eyelids. And guys, next I'm gonna use this holographic liner. I just love this one. I got this one from Amazon and it comes in a lot of shades. So I prefer using this kind of eyeliner rather than going with any basic black or brown eyeliner whenever I'm doing some good shoots. So I'm just gonna apply this. Then my favorite mascara from the brand called Mars. And guys, next I'm gonna apply this blush, and this is such a lovely blush. This is from the brand called Swiss Beauty and it's in the shade 06 buffed with rose. And this is something like the day it arrived, after that I have been like using it every other day because I love the shade so much. Next step, to apply this lipstick, and my favorite one is from the brand called Mama Earth, and it's in the shade Carnation Nude. I just love this shade. So whenever I'm just doing my shoots, I either go with this shade or I go with a cherry red kind of a shade, and there's no in between. I don't like to use any other shade other than these two, especially for my shoots. So now my forehead looks bit, dull, so I'm just gonna use the both the concealers to get this fix. And you can see this thing, I actually don't need any foundation. My face just glows up after the makeup. So like, this is the only thing that I use. I don't like using any kind of foundations. You guys would never know how your eyebrows can like literally change the way you look. So I never used to like set my eyebrows till 2022, but now it's like I do it every time I'm doing any kind of shoot or I'm going out while applying my makeup. So I make sure I just set my brows. So guys, my makeup is done, and this makeup is for my pre shots, and for my post shots I'm just gonna apply my kajal and my lipstick as well. Like, I will just change it to some reddish kind of a shade, and I'm just gonna apply my lip gloss as well if required. So guys, now we're gonna just set the lights and every other thing that is required for the shoot, and then we're gonna start with our shoot. So guys, our setup is done. I have placed all my required lights and my tripod is here. Now I just need to clean this mirror first, because as you can see it's not looking good at all. So I just need to clean this up first. So it actually looks so much better now. So I'm just gonna curl up my hair, and then we're gonna start with the shoot. And also guys, whatever I'll be shooting, all of them would be uploaded to my Instagram account, so you can just check that out. You can find the link in the description box, and also make sure that you follow me over there. And let's get started. Also guys, these are all the packages that needs to be opened up. So we're gonna open them up after the shoot, and then we're gonna just place them for our live. Okay guys, so I'm done doing my Instagram shoot, and now before I just wind up this place, I just wanted to show you some kurta sets that I've got for Raksha Bandhan. So all these kurta sets are like under rupees 750 only, and they're like very basic, very minimal. Some work is there, and they look really nice for this Raksha Bandhan or any small occasion or some puja if you have at your home, anything like that. They look really good for that reason, and all of them are under rupees 750 only. So they're very affordable. And yeah, let me just show you all of them. So guys, this is the first kurta set that I've got. It's in reddish and maroonish kind of a shade, and there's some peacocks and flowers going all over the kurta. And then on the dupatta there are some stars going all over it. And the fabric is kind of cotton blend, but it's kind of shiny in the front. And if I talk about the dupatta, it's in georgette material. And then for the plazo pants, it's in pure cotton. So this is a very nice option if you are like recently married and you are just going to your maika for your rakhi. And it's also good if you are just looking out for something in red or maroonish kind of a shade. So very comfortable fabric, very nice piece, and like 10 on 10 kind of a outfit. This is the second look. This is in purple color, and it has a very nice work in the front. And for the overall kurta, it has these small stones made of some golden kind of gota patti. And then we have this dupatta. This is also very nice. It has these stars all over the dupatta and some gota patti work. So this is my look number 2. And talking about the fabric proper iska cotton mein hai, so it just feels very very nice, very comfortable. So like, it's something that you can very easily wear even if you are staying at home. Then also you can just wear this kurta set. Now next on the list, I have this white color one. Although I am not a fan of white kurta sets or white outfits, but this one really looked so nice because of this colorful work in the neck area and this net ka dupatta. It looked really so nice and I was like, I just wanted to buy this one. This is such a perfect fit for any festive occasion. Plus the best thing is that this is in cotton material, so you can just wear it whenever you feel like. This is the next look. This is a very perfect kurta set for your festive days, and especially if you're staying at home. This is like a very minimal kind of a look. There's some work in the neck area only, and then we have some work in the dupatta as well, and rest all it's just some print work, that's it. So I guess this is a very nice option if you're like staying at home and some guests are coming to your place. Plus, guys, the fabric is also very lightweight. It's sort of a cotton blend something, and बिल्कुल भी ऐसे sweaty वाला feeling नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को. I'm just feeling very comfortable wearing this. As for the next look, we have this black color kurta and salwar set. So they've given a salwar instead of a plazo, and there's some golden work all over the kurta and the dupatta as well. It's in cut sleeves, but they have given the sleeves as well, and this one is in kind of silk kind of material, so not very much comfortable for like humid places, but yeah, it's good if you are staying indoors in the AC or something. So like this is a very different kind of an option, like if you are planning to wear something in black, so this is a very great option for the same. Now guys, for the last look, I have this one in green color. Now this is a plain kurta and plazo set, and the work is only there on the dupatta, and it's in pure cotton, you guys. It's very comfortable. Like I am not feeling heavy at all. I cannot feel like I am wearing anything. This kind of fabric, it is pure cotton, very lightweight, and the dupatta is made of, I guess, organza kind of a material. And with this I have paired these golden earrings as well. So like this is a perfect kurta set if you are in school or college going and you don't want to wear anything very heavy. So this is very nice option for that. Plus it has a lot of color options available as well. So guys, all my shoot work is done. I am done shooting for the reel, and I have also showed you all the Rakhi outfits. Now I have to just take off this makeup and we have to head towards the gym because it's my gym time in the evening, and then I'm gonna come back. Then I'm gonna set up for the live. I have some packages that needs to be unboxed, and then I'm gonna put them all the clothing rack, and I will do all the setup that I do for my live that I'm gonna show you. And then I have to start doing my makeup at around 9 because I have my live at 10. So yeah, there are a lot of things that still needs to be done. So let's get going. Guys, I'm back from the gym and I've taken a shower, and now I need to open these packages and set up for my live because I will have my live in next 2-3 hours. So we need to just buckle up now, and this is the last thing we're gonna do for this productive day. So I will just open up the smaller packages first, and I'm also gonna show you what all I have ordered for the live. Okay, so firstly I have this crochet top which looks so cute. Next we have a top. So today's live gonna be a mix of ethnic and western wear. So for that I have ordered all the products, and you can see they will be a mix of ethnic and western wear. So this is a short kurti. This is a angrakha kurti. We have, let's just open next one. We have got these trousers, and yeah, so this is how these trousers look like. So I've like paired up the tops and the trousers together. As per that I have just ordered the products. Next I guess we have a sheer top. We have this sheer top. After that let's just open Another package. So this is the first time that I'm opening any packages with you guys, but this is like my daily task. This is a Korean kind of a top. I think you guys would pretty much love it. This is the top. So by mistake, I had like ordered two products of same kind. Like these two are the kurta sets, and by mistake I've ordered the same ones. Anyways, we are going to open one of them. Now you can see few ethnic pieces also. This is the palazzo pant, and this is the kurta set. It's kind of a halter neck kind of a thing. We have another kurta set. I feel I've just ordered something else and they've given me something else. Yeah, I had ordered for a different product, but they've given this. Anyways, this is a cord set, you guys. Very cute cord set. Next, then again we have this very cute see-through kind of a top. A cute, very cute cord set. This is the top and this is the bottom. Let's open our last package. This is very heavy, yaar. And guys, I'm just throwing up these packages just like that. ये मुझे नहीं पता कि ये सब मुझे ही साफ करना भी थोड़ी देर में. I mean, like sometimes I just do such silly things. Okay, so we have a jeans. This is a bell bottom kind of a jeans. This is the kurta. This is the palazzo set. Last package finally. This is the trousers. I was expecting something else, but yeah, nice quality. So these are some black trousers. Now we're gonna put them on our rack and we're gonna do some background settings, and then we're gonna put on the lights as well because I don't want to do anything very last minute. So we're gonna do everything before my live starts. So guys, these three things are always there in the background whenever I'm doing any of my Amazon live. So this is the mirror, this is my lamp, this is my plant. Now I have this rack and we need to just put on all these clothes in this rack, and then we're gonna put on the lightning and other setup. This is my final setup, and right here I'm gonna stand to show all these products, but this is how my setup looks like. I'm showing you with 0.5x so you can have a better clarity how everything looks like. So guys, like 1 hour is left, so I'm just gonna do my makeup, get ready for my live, and then I'm just gonna show you the final look. So guys, the final task of the day, that was Amazon live, it's finally done, and you can see my clothes and accessories are badly rearranged. Anyways, I will take a leave from you all now. It was such a nice productive day, and like I am literally very tired now. I have to plan for the next day also. So we'll meet again in the next vlog. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.